Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. My name is Estro Jen, founder of Moxi Roller Skates, and we're a roller skate company. I'm going to be opening up Pop Mart's new Cafeteria Monsters series featuring Labubu on roller skates. So let's get right to it. I'm going to just use my nails to open this up. All right, so we have this big, beautiful box. This is not the typical blind box that I collect. It's opening from the top. Oh my God. Something about my age tells me that a box opening should not be cardiovascular. I'm like really excited. Like, is it fuzzy? Is it little? Are they connected? Oh. Oh my God. It's not fuzzy, it's so cute. She looks like she works at Ruby's. And then there's a whole stand. Smells good. All right, oh my God, the skates are so cute. High tops. All right. Oh, and the little waiter. Wow, look at that, it's a split. He's doing the splits. So cute, and then there's a little milkshake. It's gonna go perfect on my shelf of Labubu collectibles. So cute. It's like a little diner cafeteria series. And there we have it. The Cafeteria Labubu on roller skates. All right, now let me tell you how I was introduced to the Labubu character. So back in 2022, early 2023, I went to China and they had all these vending machines. They were Pop Mart branded vending machines. And I just thought it was the silliest thing ever because there were all these adults waiting in line for these blind box characters. And if you go to the vending machine, they've got like 4 or 5 characters, Pop Mart characters, and every couple of months they change theme. There'll be 10 different options. So the character is in 10 different poses or 10 different scenes and 10 different outfits. And you have 1 in 10 chance to get the one that you want. And you can collect them all, but you never know which one you're gonna get. It's called a blind box. I came home to these after a yoga retreat where they were talking about renouncing materialism and collector items. And I was sitting there thinking in my greatness, like, oh, I'm so above collecting. I don't have any record collections. I don't collect bicycles or cars. Totally forgetting that I collect anything roller skating related because I love to think about roller skating or look at roller skating related stuff when I'm not on my roller skates. I'm a fanatic of roller skating, so I collect the stuff. And I came home from this retreat to these boxes. And I was like, oh shoot, that totally relates to me. So my life is all about roller skating. If I'm not roller skating, I'm doing yoga. And when I was first introduced to the vending machines in China, the Pop Mart vending machines, there were these little monsters, Labubu monsters. And the series that had launched when I got to China was the yoga series. It's called the Lazy Yoga by the Monsters. You have 1 in 10 chances to open up one of these little monsters doing yoga. So I was like, when in China, maybe I'll just start my own little collection of this cute little monster. So you have 1 in 10 chances to get these 10 yoga poses here. And you don't know which pose you're gonna get, so sometimes you open up dupes. So I ended up buying this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. And I duped 2 times trying to collect the whole series. I managed to collect the entire series, but then I became obsessed with the idea of opening up the secret one. So you have 1 in 120 chances of collecting this one. And you have 1 in 10 chances of collecting any of the other monsters. So after I collected all 10, I was like, had a little yoga class on my bedside table in China, and I loved it. But I really wanted the teacher in tree pose. So I thought that if I bought the entire box set, which you can do on eBay, that you would get the yoga teacher. Not the case. You can never buy this one. You can only open this or buy it from resale. When I'm not roller skating, and apparently when I'm not doing yoga, it feels good to be reminded of what I like to do with these little figurines or posters or however I'm gonna decorate my house. I like to be reminded of the things that I do like to do, which is why I collected the Monsters Lazy Yoga series. In my dreams, I was dreaming, I even told everybody at camp, like, I wish Labubu would do a roller skating series. And Pop Mart, if you're interested in doing a Labubu series, Moxi Roller Skates would love to do that. But until then, thank you so much for coming out with the Cafeteria. My collection is now much more fuller with 2 Labubus on roller skates beside my yoga class bedside table. Well, hopefully you learned something about roller skating as it relates to Labubu. Thanks for watching this video. For more roller skating content, please like, follow, and subscribe our channel, Moxi Roller Skates. And until then, happy skating.